Most people think AI will make them money. It won't. At least not in the way they think. Right now, millions of people are learning prompts, testing tools, and chasing AI side hustles. But 5 years from now, many of them may still be searching. Meanwhile, a much smaller group could be building businesses, assets, and income streams powered by AI. And the difference has almost nothing to do with the technology itself. The difference will be understanding where value is actually being created. And that's the story almost nobody's talking about, because the biggest AI wealth opportunity in 2026 isn't a tool, it isn't a prompt, and it isn't another side hustle. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why some people may use AI to dramatically increase their earning power, while others spend years chasing opportunities that never materialize. At first glance, AI seems like the most democratic technology ever created. A student can use it, a freelancer can use it, a small business owner can use it, a Fortune 500 company can use it. Everyone appears to have access, but equal access rarely creates equal outcomes. Imagine two people standing in front of the same power tool. One knows how to build, the other doesn't. The tool is identical. The results are completely different. AI works the same way. The technology itself isn't creating wealth. It's amplifying the people who know how to create value. Consider two accountants. Both have access to the same AI tools. The first continues working exactly as before. The second learns how to automate repetitive tasks, accelerate research, and complete 3 hours of work in one. 5 years later, who is more likely to be managing larger clients? Who is more likely to own a firm? Who is more likely to have increased their income? The technology didn't replace anyone. It amplified one person's capabilities. Now multiply that across millions of workers. That's where the AI wealth gap begins. When most people hear about AI, they immediately start searching for tools. The best chatbot, the best automation tool, the best AI side hustle. And while there's nothing wrong with learning tools, there's a problem. Markets don't pay for tools, they pay for solutions. Think about a small business owner. They rarely wake up thinking, I need another AI tool. They wake up thinking, how do I get more customers? How do I increase sales? How do I save time? How do I reduce costs? How do I improve customer service? Those are business problems, and business problems are where money lives. This is where many people get stuck. They spend months learning software, watching tutorials, collecting prompts, experimenting with platforms. Yet their income barely changes. Because learning a tool and creating value are not the same thing. Imagine spending 6 months studying hammers. Different brands, different sizes, different features. At some point, someone would ask a simple question, what are you building? Because the value was never in the hammer. The value was always in what the hammer helped create. The same principle applies to AI. The opportunity isn't necessarily the technology. The opportunity is the problem the technology helps solve. That single shift in thinking changes everything. Because while most people are asking, what AI tool should I learn? A smaller group is asking, what valuable problem can I solve? And that group is beginning to notice something interesting. Businesses everywhere know AI matters, but many still don't know how to use it effectively. And that creates one of the biggest opportunities in the entire AI economy. But it isn't the opportunity most people think it is. Right now, thousands of businesses are hearing the same message. AI can improve productivity. AI can reduce costs. AI can save time. AI can increase efficiency. AI can improve customer experiences. The message is everywhere. But knowing AI is important and successfully implementing AI are two very different things. Imagine a local business owner. They're managing employees, customers, finances, operations, and problems every day. They're busy, very busy. They don't have hundreds of hours available to test dozens of AI tools. They don't want another technology to learn, they want results. This is the key insight. Businesses don't actually want AI. Businesses want outcomes. They want more customers, higher profits, less wasted time. The AI itself is secondary. The outcome is what matters. And that creates what economists often call an implementation gap. An implementation gap occurs when people know a technology is important but don't know how to use it effectively. History shows these gaps often create enormous opportunities. When the internet emerged, businesses needed websites. Most didn't know how to build them. When e-commerce grew, businesses wanted online stores. Many didn't know how to create them. When digital marketing exploded, businesses wanted customers from the internet. Many didn't know how to attract them. The opportunity wasn't always inventing the technology. Often it was helping others use it. The same pattern may be emerging with AI. And that leads to a much bigger realization. The people who benefit most from AI may not be the people you expect. And that's where things get interesting. They may be the people who learn how to combine AI with human judgment. This is where a new type of individual begins to emerge, the AI-leveraged individual. Most people see AI as a tool. AI-leveraged individuals see AI as leverage, and those are two very different perspectives. Throughout history, leverage has been one of the foundations of wealth creation. AI introduces a new form of leverage, intelligence leverage. For the first time, individuals can dramatically increase their productive capacity without dramatically increasing their working hours. A consultant can serve more clients. A marketer can launch campaigns faster. A business owner can make decisions faster. The important word here is not AI. The important word is leverage, because leverage allows one person's effort to create larger results. But here's where many people misunderstand what's happening. They assume AI replaces expertise. In reality, AI often amplifies expertise. Imagine giving advanced AI tools to two people. One understands business, customers, and value creation. The other doesn't. The technology is identical, the outcomes are not. Because AI can generate information, but it cannot automatically generate judgment. And judgment may become one of the most valuable assets in the AI economy. This is where the story becomes much bigger than technology, because AI isn't simply changing software, it's changing work itself. For decades, many professionals built careers around tasks like researching information, writing reports, creating content, analyzing data, managing communication, organizing knowledge. These activities created value because they required time. AI is changing that equation. Tasks that once required hours can sometimes be completed in minutes. Processes that once required teams can often be handled by fewer people. Information that once took days to gather can now be found almost instantly. This doesn't mean people become unnecessary, but it does mean the nature of value is changing. And whenever value changes, economic winners and losers emerge. Many people believe AI will make human beings less valuable, but certain human qualities may actually become more valuable. As AI makes content, information, and automation abundant, originality, insight, and trust become increasingly valuable. This is why the future may belong less to people who know the most information and more to people who know how to apply information effectively. That's a profound shift, because the AI economy doesn't reward knowledge alone, it rewards useful application. And understanding that difference may determine who benefits most from the years ahead. Unfortunately, many people are making mistakes that prevent them from benefiting from these changes. The first mistake is tool addiction. Every week, a new AI platform appears. Many people spend months jumping from tool to tool, learning features, watching tutorials, testing software, yet their income remains unchanged. Because activity and progress are not the same thing. Because learning tools is not the same as creating value. The second mistake is confusing learning with implementation. Someone watches hundreds of videos, reads dozens of articles, learns countless prompts, feels informed, feels productive, but never actually applies what they've learned. Knowledge creates potential. Implementation creates results. And potential never pays the bills. Results do. And markets reward results. The third mistake is selling AI instead of selling outcomes. Business owners rarely care about technology itself. They care about growth, efficiency, profitability, customer satisfaction, time savings. The people creating value in the AI economy understand this. They don't sell AI. They sell solutions, and solutions are easier to monetize than technology. The final mistake may be the most dangerous: confusing productivity with wealth. Because productivity alone does not create wealth. A person can become twice as productive and still struggle financially, which brings us to the most important lesson of all. Most AI conversations stop at income, but wealth creation doesn't stop there. It begins there. Think of it as a chain. AI improves capability. Capability improves productivity. Productivity creates value. Value creates income. Income creates investment potential. Investments create assets. Assets create wealth. Most people focus on the beginning of the chain. The financially successful often focus on the end. Imagine two people. Both use AI to increase their income. The first spends the extra money. The second uses part of that income to acquire assets, investments, businesses, cash flow producing opportunities. Years later, their financial outcomes look completely different. The AI was the same. The income increase was the same. The decisions afterward were not. This is why the biggest AI wealth opportunity isn't simply about earning more. It's about creating a bridge between increased earning power and long-term ownership. Because earning money and building wealth are not identical. One generates resources, the other accumulates assets. And assets have always been one of the foundations of wealth. So what is the biggest AI wealth opportunity in 2026? Many people think it's a tool, a stock, a prompt, a side hustle, a platform. But after examining the evidence, a different answer emerges. The biggest opportunity is becoming the type of person who can create more value through AI than before. The type of person who solves problems, builds systems, creates outcomes, generates income, acquires assets, and continuously adapts as technology evolves. In other words, the real opportunity is becoming an AI-leveraged individual, because the future will not reward people who simply know AI exists, and people who wait too long to adapt may spend years trying to catch up. It will reward people who understand where AI creates value. Most people will spend the next few years searching for the perfect AI tool. The people who create the most wealth may spend those same years becoming more valuable, and that difference may determine who benefits most from the AI economy. And in the years ahead, that distinction may become one of the most important financial lessons of all. Imagine someone who uses AI to improve marketing skills. That skill increases income. Increased income funds investments. Investments acquire assets. Assets create long-term wealth. That's how AI becomes a wealth-building tool instead of just a productivity tool. 5 years from now, many people will still be asking, which AI tool should I use? Others will own businesses, assets, and systems powered by AI. The difference begins with how they think today. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to Financial Awaken with Aaron for more insights on wealth building, investing, financial freedom, and the economic trends shaping our future. And remember, don't focus on becoming better at using technology. Focus on becoming more valuable because of it. Because tools create speed, but judgment creates wealth, and wealth belongs to those who learn to apply both. The AI revolution is already happening. The question is whether you'll participate in it or simply watch it happen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.